It's going to be 100% set up manually by my team for you. Again, you are not going to do anything. My team will get access to your accounts and set up everything for you. So you do not need to know or do any of the technical work. Did I get your attention? You are going to make money, inshallah. Let's watch the rest of the video. Hey guys, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to another video. Awesome to have you here. Okay, we made 8 figures in sales revenue from our digital marketing business. Inshallah, you can do it too. I mean, literally anyone can do it. Now, there is one thing we have always done in all kinds of businesses, whatever we tried. Aside from our knowledge, our trial, our team, our tools, every single thing, we did one thing everywhere. And without this one thing, we wouldn't make any money. And we are not going to make any money if we try anything else without this one thing. And that one thing is email marketing. Now, email marketing is one of the most boring topics for beginners, experts, everyone. Who wants to do email marketing? Not me. Who wants to do email marketing? Not you, I'm sure. My audience want to make money. But how does email marketing make money? That's called knowledge. So knowledge is knowledge is powerful and painful at the same time. There are a couple more things you need. One, you need leads, email leads to send emails to. And then you need knowledge about what type of email you're going to write to them. And then you need skills to write the correct type of emails. And then you need technical setup with your email marketing software, etc. And then you need an offer to send to the leads so they buy from you and you become rich, right? So there are lots of work. That means lots of teamwork involved, lots of knowledge, skills, software, consistency, all these things involved. That is why whenever people understand that this is a boring work, it's not easy work, they back off. They do not want to go through email marketing. And even tons of gurus don't do email marketing. Trust me, it happens. It's true story. So the good news in this video that you're going to get from me is that the whole thing is going to be done for you at an extremely reasonable and affordable price. Everything will be done for you. So you are going to get leads at the push of a button, high quality buyer leads. You will not need any skills because AI will write the emails for you. You will not even need knowledge because AI will do it for you without you even trying or asking AI to do anything. However, if you want knowledge, then there is a solution for that. That will be my bonus. Also, I have 2 bonuses for you. One is an offer. I'm giving you an offer that you can offer. I'm going to set you up an offer that you can offer to your leads. They will buy and you make money, but for that you need technical setup. So we are going to set up the email marketing campaigns for you, 100% done for you. So now how does it work? Very simple. Here is a software. This software is called Email Expert AI. Below this video, you'll find a link. That will be my affiliate link. Okay, very transparent. If you buy from that link, I will earn a commission. Because I'm earning a commission, I'm getting benefit from this. I am going to do all the work for you. And this is extremely affordable. I'm just doing it to build a relationship with you. You will see what type of offer, what type of work we do, how good it is to basically sell us to you so you can actually fall in love with us and eventually buy more from us. That's the way how we deal with our customers and clients. So below this video, you'll find this website. You will go to this website, you will read what it is. It is a software. This software looks like this. Look, there is a demo video that I'm going to show you in a moment. This software generates leads at a push of a button. Okay, this software generates leads. Now, let me show you a little scroll. Yes, just in one click, it generated hundreds of email leads. Can you imagine that? With their information that you can use to send marketing emails to them. Not only that, these leads will be sent to your email marketing software. Now, if you don't know about email marketing software, don't worry because it is 100% done for you. Now, if you don't know about email marketing or how to write emails, the AI software will write the emails for you. 100% done for you. You don't need to do anything. Just click, 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 and that's it. This is the software you're going to get from this website. So go through this website, go through the demo video, and go through the demo video I'm going to show you in a moment. And whenever you think you are ready, click this button. Whenever you click any of these buttons, you will be taken to these options. There are two payment options. One is $35, one is $37. Which one should you take? 100% $37, because only for $2 less, they are taking all these benefits out of the delivery. So you want to get access to all these extra bonuses, you just need to spend $2 extra. But hey guys, for this $37 price, you are going to have my team to set up your email campaign, your offers, everything ready. All you will be doing is to use this software to send out emails and make money. Nothing else. You're not going to do anything else. That makes sense or not? Make sense? Sounds too good to be true? Well, this is the era of AI and the era of special, specific, and very exclusive bonus by me and my team. No one else can do it because I have a team for that. Because we do it for our students and clients, so we are going to do it for you. And it's going to be extremely limited, only for 72 hours. Let me write it down. Let me write it down, guys. It's going to be 72 hours. After 72 hours, what's going to happen? I am going to remove bonuses one by one. And I will choose which bonus I want to remove. You will just see that this bonus is slashed off. It's not available anymore. So it's up to you guys, okay? So the bonuses description are coming right now. All you need to do right now is just click the button below or link below this video. Go to this page from my link and buy right now and secure your spots from this 72 hours only bonus. Hey, 72 hours, come on. Every 24 hours, I'm going to remove each bonuses. And I don't know, I cannot guarantee. Maybe I will remove the done for you bonus the first time. I don't know, I cannot guarantee what I'm going to do. But every 24 hours, I'm going to remove the bonuses one by one. You'll see that bonuses are slashed off and you can only get the remaining. So I recommend you take action within 24 hours. Every 24 hours for next 3 days, next 72 hours, we're going to remove bonuses one by one. But it starts from 24 hours. My bonuses will be available for 24 hours. So go get it. Now we are going to see how the software works. And at the end, I don't know. You just should go get it.
Hi, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily generate leads, build lists, and automate email campaigns that get you clicks and sales for any market, for any campaign, for any product or service. So here we are inside Email Expert, a brand new generative AI technology that does everything for you. So let's start by generating targeted leads for any market or niche. Simply enter details of the audience you want to target, select a country or city, and search. Then the system automatically finds and delivers high-quality, verified business leads in real time. Normally, to generate leads, you'd have to create hundreds of blog posts, articles, social posts, do some stupid stuff on TikTok to go viral, create hundreds or thousands of YouTube shorts, or even buy traffic. But what makes it even easier is you don't need to buy a domain name, build and host a website, create a landing page, a lead magnet, or add an opt-in form to capture leads. Because here, right now, in one click, you've just built an email list and it took less than 60 seconds. You see how fast that was? It's super fast, one click easy, because now instantly those leads are automatically added to a list that you can send to your autoresponder, ready to start sending emails, which I'll show you in a second. Plus, if you want, you can download the leads. And that's it. You have leads and your list is built. Just this alone, generating leads and building a list takes weeks and months of work, right? We just did this together in minutes, but this is not the core feature of the software. The real power of Email Expert is in the emails, because that's what actually makes you money. The fact is, you can generate as many leads as you want, build as many lists as you want, but if your emails don't convert, you're not going to get any clicks and you won't make any sales. Because for every email, you need to know how to structure an email, what to write, how to write it, the tone to use, the subject line, the body of the email, what to include inside it, how to finish writing the email, what images to add, the call to action, clickable links that gets your leads to click open and buy from you. Now that's the handful, and that's why right now, for the first time ever, there's zero thinking, zero guesswork on your part to write emails that actually convert. It's automatically done for you. High converting, money making emails in just seconds. Emails that get you clicks that lead to sales. But it gets even better. Everything is automated with hyperlinks, images that you have to normally search one by one. emojis, GIFs, signatures, and even animated call to action buttons, all optimized and ready for you to send to sell any product or service in any market or niche. As you're watching this, I've just created a high converting 7-day email sequence in less than 10 seconds. You can generate newsletter emails, cold outreach emails, promotional emails, affiliate emails, product launch sequences, and many more, all done for you. That's the real power of Email Expert, because it's the emails that will get you those clicks and sales. An all-in-one done-for-you system for generating leads, building email lists, and creating and sending email campaigns for any product or service, all done for you in one place. Generative AI technology has made it fast and easy to get results. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.
You must be asking how these bonuses will be delivered. Step number 1, you purchase the Email Expert AI offer, and then you will receive a purchase receipt from JVZoo. In the purchase receipt, you'll find a link to access to the bonuses. When you click that, you'll see a Google document where we will be asking a couple of questions. Like number 1 is give us the access to your email software. If you don't have a software, don't worry about it. We will tell you which free software to use. Now we will also ask you for affiliate links to some of our AI offers. These are universally appealing offers that will resonate to a broad audience. So you can promote to a lot of people and make tons of affiliate commissions. You might be asking, why affiliate? Because when you are an affiliate, all the fulfillment to your audience, to your customers, will be done by us. And you will earn 50% commission like a partner. So we will approve you as an affiliate. So you just send emails automatically. Come on, I mean, you're not gonna send out emails. We're going to set it up for you. The emails will go to your leads automatically, make sales for you automatically. You will earn commissions automatically. So when you will give us your affiliate link and access to your email software, my team will take 7 days to set it up. And then the emails will automatically go with the offers to your email leads. The same leads you're going to generate using Email Expert AI. That's it. I mean, you're not going to do anything literally. All you do is click the software to generate leads and put them in your email autoresponder. Rest of the work is done by my team. You're going to earn passive affiliate commission, inshallah. So that's it, guys. Is it too good to be true? Well, that's how it works, whether you like it or not. We have a program. I can show you a program. In this program, we set up the whole system for our beginner students, including email automation. And look at this, all these students, 95% of them are beginner students. They made high-ticket affiliate commissions from our email setup. What else do you need? There are tons and tons and tons of them. I can't even finish scrolling. So our system works. We know what we are doing. All you need to do is to click the link or button below this video. Make sure you use my link to purchase Email Expert AI. Go grab it. It's only available for 72 hours. Every 24 hours, I'm going to remove each bonus. And I cannot guarantee which one I'm going to remove. Let's go get it.